Mount Kitanglad is most sacred to the Bukidnon because it is the only mountain in Mindanao that was not submerged by the great deluge that flooded the earth. Magbabaya sent the flood to punish evildoers who neglected and transgressed the relationship of humans, spirits, and nature. According to Dato Makaatol, a man named Apu Agbibilin was saved because he climbed the mountain during the flood. Apu Agbibilin thought he was the only person who survived at that time. He named the mountain Kitanglad as the size of the land not submerged by the water was only enough for a tanglad plant, also known as lemongrass, to grow. Then a Mulin Ulin came. After giving thanks to Magbabaya for saving him, his Mulin Ulin told him to look for a woman who was also saved from the flood so they would become the seeds of Mindanao. Tell your descendants to always pray by offering chickens and pigs here in Kitanglad to cleanse the sins of your ancestors that polluted it and also to prevent illnesses from plaguing your descendants, the Mulin Ulin said. Therefore, do not commit sins and take care of the mountains, rivers, forests, lands, and all the things in Kitanglad, and most of all, do not forget to pray to the Almighty so that if another calamity occurs, those who have strong faith will be saved.